Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the breakout indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I'm constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the breakout indicator. So in the original testing, this was able to do 16 trades within the 1 year's time at a 68% win rate. So we did keep this one on the daily time frame, and we used the standard take profit and stop that we use on the daily time frame, the default take profit and stop. The indicator itself, you can see down here at the bottom of the screen. In the original testing, what we did was we added this black line right here. That black line is at the 0.27000 location, and the bars here, we changed those from a histogram to columns, which gives us this right here. And so what we were looking for was anytime we get a green bar, that's going to be a signal to go long. Anytime we get a purple bar, that is a signal to go short. And so we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades. We got 26 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 48% win rate. And so that is not going to maintain that 60% criteria that we're looking for. Now, on this particular pair, though, the stop and the take profit seems to be rather tight. And so it is possible on another pair where the take profit stop isn't quite so snug, that this would have a better win rate, and maybe it would have been able to maintain that 60% criteria. So we might need to play with this one on some other pairs, just to kind of see how it does, maybe identify a pair that it works better on. 16 trades in the original test was pretty decent. So if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, then I highly recommend you check out the strategy we have developed here on the channel. It is proven to be profitable. It has been optimized, constantly upgrading and optimizing, and we are even working on automating that trading strategy. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now, and I'll link to it at the end of this video as well. If you are one of our patrons, and you get all the benefits of having those access to those indicators, as well as getting a deal on the automation once we get to that point. So highly recommend that you join our Patreon. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to cut it here and move on to the next video from here.